Hello friends, in this video we will learn the second method to compute the spanning tree with the help of Prim's algorithm. Prim's algorithm have different approach as compared to the Kruskal algorithm. In the Prim's algorithm we can start uh, to run our algo from any of the vertex. Um, but in Kruskal when we were doing we should start from a edge of a minimum weight. But in Prim's algo, we can start our algorithm from any of the vertex. So our first step is that select a starting vertex. Now we need to repeat step 2 and 3. So in the step 3, we need to, after finding a vertex, we need to find all connected edges with that vertex, and we need to select the edge. We need to select an edge out of all the finding edges which is having minimum cost. Let's suppose we have selected an edge uv. Now after selected that edge uv, we need to find all the edges which are connected to v, and we will make a set of all the edges which were connected with u and connected with v, and out of this set we will select an edge which is having minimum cost. So the selection of second edge will also consider the edges of the previous vertex and the new discovered vertex, and the loop will continue until we have to select total n minus 1 edges, and we make sure that cycle should not be formed. So let us have this spanning tree, this graph, and we need to make a spanning tree of this graph. We can start with any of the vertex. So let us start with the vertex B. If we start with the vertex, if we start it with vertex B, so there are two connected edges with this B. The one is weight 4, the second is with weight 10. So we will select the edge with weight 4. Now with the D we have two more edges. The one is DC, one is DE. So now in the set we are having total 3 edges. The one is weight with 10, that weight with 2, the weight with 1. So we will select the edge which is having the minimum weight among all these 3. So the minimum weight is 1. So we will select the DE. And after selecting the DE, we will find the adjacent edges of this E. With the help of this E, we can go to this C with the weight 6. Now total 3 edges again we are having in our set, that is 10, that is 2 and 6. So which is having minimum 1? The 2 is having minimum 1. So we will select this DC which is having the minimum weight among all these 3. So after finding this particular edge, we will reach to the C. And when we reach to the C, we will find the adjacent edge of this C, that is 3. Again we are having 3 edges in our set. One is with weight 6, one is with weight 3, the last one is with weight 10. So we will select the edge which is having minimum weight, that is number 3. So this is what I have mentioned here. So choose a starting vertex B, add the vertices that are adjacent to B like C and D. The edges that connecting the vertices are shown by the dotted lines. In this graph you can look at here. So we have selected B, then with the B, D and C are connected. Then with the D, E and DC are connected, and here we have selected the BD, Then we have selected the DE. E is having the edge with 6, but we have selected the DC. C is having the edge with A having 3, then we have selected this C. If we find the cost of this graph, it is 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3, total 12. Another example we can take. In this example, let's suppose we are selecting this particular vertex. So the total edges, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 edges are connected. So first we will select either this 2 or this 2. Let us suppose this 2. Then this 4 will also be the part of the unselected edges. Then we will select this 2. If you select this 2, then this 3 will also be the part. So now we have 2 edges with the 3 weight. One is this one and one is this one. So we have selected this 3 and we have selected this 3. And after selecting this 3, we cannot select this 3 because this 3 will make a cycle. Now we have 4, 1 4, 2 4 and 3 4. So we cannot select this 4, again it will make a cycle, but we can take this 4. So this is what we are doing. So this is making our sparring tree. So hope friends I am very much clear about the Prim's algorithm. It is very easy, no need to be worried. If any query still you have, so you can ask it under the comment section. I will try to solve the query as fast as I can. Thank you.